craft for this week. I'm using the camera lower so you can see a little bit better. So we're going to make these little tiny rocket ships that you just saw me launch in the air. You will need a straw. I used a straw that's flexible so it can go in here and push the air up here a little bit easier. And I also made one out of printer paper to make sure it worked well. And you will need a little bit of glue. So I started folding one, but I'll fold a different one. So you need to fold it the long way once, or fold it across once. Open this up, fold it the other way. Now you have 4 squares. And when you make your folds, you should make sure that your piece can lie down without opening so the creases are nice. Then you're going to take one corner to one corner across like this. Fold it across this way. Then you'll open that up and fold it this way. And now you want to make sure that you are going to create this nice shape of a triangle. You're going to keep this shape as a triangle. So you're going to fold these 2 triangles. I'm going to pull out a pen so you can see this. This here and this here are going to fold up and be right on top of this. And this triangle and this triangle are going to be the open ones. So I would just fold these 2 lines against your triangle here and fold those over. So you can see that I just folded those against that triangle. Then I can just easily, you'll have to do this with a little bit of care, but then you'll just fold the inside over like this. I'll show you. Just like that, I folded it over. And then I will come to this other side and fold that in too. Now I have a triangle on top of a triangle, and it's not perfect. It's not perfect like this, but it's okay. I have those 2 little flaps on the inside, and there's a triangle and a triangle. I'm gonna face this towards you so you can see, but there's a line in this center. I'm just gonna tip this down a little bit more. There's a line right here. And what you are going to do is you're going to take this edge and fold it to meet that line. Fold that over nice. And then I'll take this one and fold that over too. So now it looks just like this. I only did that top layer. Then I'm going to take this little corner here and fold it in to meet that center. Then I'll take this point to meet the center too. So fold this in, and so it should look something like this, okay? Do you see that? I don't know if my lamp is getting in the way here. I'll back it up just a little so you can see it. Then you have each of these little rockets has little feet. These little feet are out, and these are the feet. So I'm going to flip this little foot out. So I'll hold that up. So I'm just going to take this and fold it right out to meet right there. You see that? Just like that. So this part here, I want this all to be glued down. So I'm going to use my glue stick just because I am on this side and I might as well. I'll put a little bit of glue here, a little bit of glue here, push this all down, put a little glue here, a little glue here, push that down, and now I can turn the whole rigmarole over. And now I have this triangle on this side, and you guessed it, we're going to do the exact same thing. We're going to fold these 2 edges down to meet that center line. So now we have that little shape, just like that. And then I'll fold these 2 little buggers in right there. There's 1. There's 2. Then I'll fold his little feet out. 1 foot, 2 foot. That's very nice. And then I'll go ahead and put a little bit of glue in here. It does not have to be too much. You don't want it to be too much because you want this to fly. And if it has too much glue, it won't fly very high, will it? Glue can be a little bit heavy too. So there's that all pushed together. But now, how in the dickens did I make this a plane? This has a hollow center. So you just put your little fingers in there and open it up nice. And now he can stand right up for you and you can make him fly. So if you want, you can glue your little feet down. I didn't. I don't think you need to. But this is really, really fun to make a lot of them. And I was thinking, what if you made really small ones? I bet they'd fly quite high. Have a wonderful week.